Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I got some Happy Mail to show you today. So let's start with the first thing, because, well, I'm a child. I had to get a Grinch. Yeah, I'm a child. Go figure. I had to have a Grinch. And the second thing I got, this comes from Fancy Boy Designs on Etsy, and I absolutely love it. It has a zipper pull that is a snowflake, but it can be taken off and used as a progress keeper. And it's really a nice bag. It has a box bottom. And he makes a lot of great bags. So check out Fancy Boy Designs. I love, love, love his bags. But the main thing I've got to show you is this beginner's crochet kit that I got on Amazon. I had to take my address off the front. So I already tore the tape. The whimsical things on it should give you an idea. It's supposed to make a Grinch. So let's open it. I did tear the tape. Oh, there it goes. And let's open it up and see what's inside. So the yarn is right on top. So it comes with, oh, that's really soft. Real soft. Nice soft yarn. Comes with some green yarn. There's about the weight of it. So we have some green. We have some red, a little bit of black. So green, red, and a little bit of black. And some white. And a crochet hook. And see if I get that to come in. Ooh, that's really glowy. It is a 2mm crochet hook. I don't think it's a clover, but it's like a knockoff of a clover. And that's a 2mm. And there's some wire. I don't know what that's for. And then there's some little bits. Oh, there's a ring to run your yarn through, and some eyes, and some stitch markers, and a plastic needle. So there's all the little bits in there, and some pins to hold it together, I guess, when you're doing it. And some instructions. So there's instructions for doing the magic ring, and they are pictorial. Yep, they're all pictorial. So you can do the magic ring. That's nice. And then there is the instructions for making a hat and making the Grinch. So let's find him. Wow, not a really good way to do it. There he is. So you can make the Grinch. So that's cool. And it tells you everything that comes with it right there. There it all is. Everything that comes with it. And in the bottom of the box, yep, in the bottom of the box is all of this stuffing, and boy did they flatten it. They flattened that one and sucked the air right out of it. Ooh, nice. I'm not going to open that yet. But I will let you guys know what I think of this kit, because I'm going to crochet him and see what I think. Let me put all these little bits back in here so I don't lose any of them. Get all these yarns back in here. So the kit was, I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think it was around $15, $14, $15. I will link the kit down below in case you're interested. Wasn't a bad price, and it came in 2 days. I'm sure if you have an Amazon thing closer to you, it'll come quicker. Mine usually takes a while. But I'll link it for you guys down below. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.